Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to talk about my trades for the day. This morning I traded BABA. I was looking at it for an opening range breakdown. As you can see on the 15-minute, it looked pretty weak on all of the chart. All of my charts actually were red candles for the open, and on the 5-minute, it went down and tested these levels, but it couldn't. And on the 1 minute, it couldn't quite break the VWAP. And because of this red 15-minute candle, I was looking at it as a short. So when it came back and it couldn't break the VWAP, and then it broke this level I have marked right here. Once it broke that level, I went short with a very small risk at the high of the 1-minute candle before that. And then I took my partials at these levels that I have marked. I was in the chat and saw that Jared was in this trade as well, and I mentioned that I was in the trade, and he gave me a heads up to watch out for this particular level right here, that it was going to be a strong resistance. He's used to trading BABA, so I was really appreciative of that. It's the benefit of being in the chat. I'm part of such a great community. So I exited most of my position there, and after this 5-minute candle closed, and so it had such a large wick, and it was an indecision candle, I went ahead and exited my position because I felt like the move was over. Normally, I've always had a rule to let a tiny percent of my shares run, and whether that breaks me out or not, that I still do it. But I think it was last night or this morning, I'm not sure, I saw one of Thor's tweets, and he mentioned recognizing when the move is over and not leaving money on the table. So I really felt like I recognized that this move was over, so that is why I exited out of my entire position. My next trade was with MRNA. I think lots of traders had great trades on this particular stock this morning, but I am not one of them. Not in the morning. It was a little too wild and crazy for me and for my trading style. So later in the afternoon, I noticed that it started finding a bottom at this previously marked level from the daily. And once on the 1-minute, these two moving averages, the 9 and the 20, crossed and started curling up, I went long. It also made a new 5-minute high. I went long, and with a stop loss at the previous low of the 5-minute candle. My first profit target was this 20 moving average right here on the 5-minute, which also was about the same spot as this 1-minute, 100 moving average on the 1-minute. Let's see. Then, I don't know if you can see on the 15-minute, there was a 9 moving average that I took another partial at, and the reason I did is because all morning it was kind of coming up and testing this 9 moving average on the 15, so that's why I took another partial there. And then I partialed at previous day level, and then the VWAP. And after that, it was another one of those. Trades where I just kind of knew the move was over. It did a head and shoulders right here, and it just could not break through that VWAP. And then this 9 and 20 crossed and started heading down. And so I got out of the rest of my position at the top of that red candle right here on the 1-minute. And that's it. Those were my trades. of the day. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.